everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial, I will show you how to make this heart garland from start to finish. I am using a 4.25mm crochet hook and yarn needle and scissor to cut your yarns with. And I have here a dark brown yarn, and I think this is pretty in pink color, and they're both acrylic from Red Heart Super Saver. And you'll notice that the pattern I used for the heart is also the pattern I've used for the heart clip, and this will show you how I recycle pattern in a way that I don't just use it for one specific item. I try to incorporate it to different types of items, like this one is on the garland. If you are interested on the heart clip tutorial, I will put a link down below. And this heart garland, you can actually move the heart around, so you can adjust how far apart you want the heart, so that way if you maybe change your mind later on down the line, you could adjust it. And as you can see, I already pre-made some of the hearts here, but I'll show you how to make one right now. So we'll need to make a magic ring, and we need to chain 3, and we need to make 3 treble crochet, right? And we need 4 double crochet, and 1 treble, and that is half of the heart here. I'm gonna go ahead and push the stitches together and pull that tail end to close that circle up a bit. And we need to make 4 double crochet. Okay. It's 3. And that's 4. Then we'll need 3 treble crochet. Oops. Okay, that's 1. Two, and that's 3, and chain 3, and close this up a bit, but don't close it all the way because we need to slip stitch back into the ring. Okay, and we chain 1, and I'm gonna go ahead and completely close that center hole by pulling our tail end. I'm gonna pull it tight, and that will close that center hole there. And we already made chain 1 back here, and we could go ahead and cut the yarn. Pull that tail end all the way through, so you'll make a knot at the back, and that is how I made these hearts. You can go ahead and make as many hearts as you can, and I will meet you back to string them all up so we could hang them, right? So I have here my needle and my brown yarn, or dark brown, and we're just gonna thread this heart. Okay, so I want my heart, so I'm gonna go, see that very first treble on this side of the heart. I'm gonna go to the back, to the back loop there, and thread it there. And I'm gonna go to the other side as well. So find the first treble on this side and turn, and you'll see this loop here. That's where you want to go. And so you could just move the heart however you want, or space them out however you want. So I'm gonna go ahead and thread all of this heart in. And then I could space it out when I have them on this brown yarn. Make sure you're threading them the right way. Like if you're threading them, if you started threading them the heart facing you, go ahead and do that for all the heart. And if you started threading the heart back facing you, go ahead and do that. So that way you'll have the front side of the heart all on one side. And I'm just going to put all this heart onto this yarn really quickly, so I'll meet you guys in a bit. Alright, I have all the hearts on my brown yarn here, and again, you could fix them up here however you want, or space them out however you want. Whoa. And this, and I think not at least out that much. Okay, so this is my first heart down here, and I would like to space them out maybe like an inch, because they're not a very big heart, so maybe that. Yeah, I'm just gonna space them out like that. So take all of these hearts, push them down, and I'm just grabbing the two hearts and pulling the yarn so I could move them sufficiently and not damage the heart as well. Okay, and notice I'm just eyeballing the spaces between the heart. If you want to take out your ruler and measure it out evenly, you can, but I just want to have, but I'm doing it this way. So 3 hearts on this side, and there. Okay. Right, and space this out, and space those out, I think. And then I have 3 more here. I only made, I don't know if I mentioned this already, but I only made 10 hearts. But you can make however many hearts you want, and you could make this longer if you want to. So I'm just gonna do that. And this brown yarn here. So let me see. And that is how I made this garland of hearts. Okay, so I went ahead and pulled out my ruler here. I can't find my measuring tape, so and they're about an inch, roughly an inch between the hearts. What I'm looking at from, let's see, from this end of the heart to that. So they're about an inch. And for 10 hearts, you will need, because I made 10 hearts here. Let's see. So I'm just going to hang this, and I'll leave some room here. So we're going to measure it out, how many exactly we need for our brown yarn. It's 12, 24. Okay, and that is another 12 inches there, so about 36, I'm sorry. So you'll need about 36 inches of yarn if you want to space your heart about an inch apart. So that is my measurement there. And at the end, I just made a knot so my yarn won't keep splitting here. So I just made a knot at both of the ends. And if you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, I do crochet tutorial every week. And don't forget to hit that bell notification so you won't miss another video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.